everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. And if you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because why not, and it's free. So today's video is all going to be about press-on nails, fake nails, acrylics, whatever you want to call it. I bought these nails from a small Instagram store called Nail Station. Now this is an all-Indian brand, so I'm really happy to support them. This video is not sponsored by them. They have not provided me these nails. These nails are actually gifted to me by my cousin sister, which I'm very thankful for. So yeah, and on Instagram you guys asked me a bunch of questions about this, so I'm gonna include all the answers in today's video. How to put them on, remove them, unka shelf life kya hai, can you reuse them, all those questions are answered in this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. And yeah, let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks like. All the nails will come in this beautiful pink box. Inside the box, the nails will be lined perfectly from thumb to pinky finger, so you don't have to worry about that. And it is bubble wrap protected. I got 4 sets of nails from them. The first one is matte black whale press-on nails. It's so chic. This is the one I'll be wearing in today's video. Second one is blue ombre mandala press-on nail. Then third one is glossy light blue printed press-on nail. This is one of my favorite. And the last one is Davina Grey marble press-on nail. This one is sold out. Hopefully it will be back in stock. And FYI, I got coffin shape and size small for all the nails. Inside the box, you will also get a glue stick to stick the nails and a filer in case you need it. They also provide a thank you card with a handwritten message, which is so sweet and special. Now let's get started with the first part, that is prepping your nails. If you want the press-on nails to last longer, then this step is very important. This is how my natural nails look like, and if you have nail polish on, then get rid of it. Next, I'm going to cut and shape my nails. This step is optional, but I like my natural nails to be small, that's why I'm doing it. Next, I'm going to use the filer and file down the rough edges. After that, using a buffer, I'm going to buff my nails, getting rid of the shiny coat. This step is important as it helps the glue to stick on better. Don't buff a lot, we just want to get rid of the shiny coat on nails. Next, you can use a rubbing alcohol. I didn't have it, so I'm using a hand sanitizer with good percentage of alcohol in it and getting rid of any dirt or oil or residue on my nails. Now that my nails are prepped and ready, let's stick the nails. For that, I'm using the glue that it comes in the box. This will give you 1 or 2 usage max, and the size is small, so you can carry it in your purse in case a nail pops off. Next, I like to make sure that the nails fit me right before I start to glue them in place. And using the same nail, I also like to push the cuticle behind. Once that is done, let's do the fun part and stick the nails. I first put glue on the bottom half of the stick-on nail and then put glue on my nail as well, so it sticks properly. Stick the nail, make sure it's straight and press it hard for a few seconds. I like to do this wiggle motion to make sure it sticks on all sides. Press it down on both sides, up and down till you feel it's secure. And that's it. One nail is done. Let's do the rest. One hand is done. It looks so classy and chic. I am obsessed with it. This is the before and after. Pretty drastic difference, right? Now let's do the other hand as well. and this is the final result. Let me know in the comments down below which set is your favorite and how this set looks on me. I really like it because it completely transformed my hand and looks so chic. Next, you can apply cuticle oil on your cuticles. I don't have that, so I'm going to use almond oil. You can use any moisturizing oil. I'm going to enjoy these nails and get back to you in few days. Bye. Hey folks, so this is a week later and I have only 2 nails left. The nails started coming off after day 4, I would say, and it's super easy to take it off as you can see in the video. The fake nail and your natural nail both will have some glue on it that I'll show you guys how to remove. Take some hot water in a bowl. The water has to be hot, it can't be lukewarm. Hot enough that you can tolerate and put all the nails in the water. Next, add some body wash, you can use any, and some almond oil. You can also add some hand wash if you like. Mix it well and dip all your fingers in for good 10 to 15 minutes. This will get rid of all the glue that's stuck on your nails and it will be easy to remove the nails that are still on. And this is how my nails look like after removing all the nails. There is still some glue that we need to get rid of, and the fake nails, I'll keep them in water for some more time. Next, using the buffer, I'm going to buff out the glue residue. Make sure you buff only the glue and not your natural nail. मैंने एक्रेलिक नेल एक्सटेंशन करवाए थे बहुत पहले एंड उससे जो नेल्स को डैमेज होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. उसमें जो ग्लू यूज़ होता है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है एंड नेल्स की कंडीशन बहुत वर्स्ट हो जाती है. इससे उतना डैमेज नहीं होता है. A lot of you guys were asking कि how long can it stick? It totally depends on the person's activity. If you are someone who does a lot of household chores like dishes, clothes, cooking, etc., the glue will loosen up in 3 to 4 days and the nails will come off. But if you don't do household chores and you're good at taking care of your nails, then it will last you for a week or more. Next question is कैसे लगाते हैं और reuse कर सकते हैं क्या? I've already showed you guys कैसे लगाते हैं and yes, आप definitely reuse कर सकते हो. And back to my original nail. It's not damaged at all. It's healthy and exactly like how it was before. So that's good. Price के हिसाब से quality बहुत सही है. I would definitely recommend buying, as you can reuse these nails if you take care of them properly. That's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below which set was your favorite. And of course, I'm gonna link Nail Station ka Instagram account and everything about them in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And the comment shout out goes to Deepika Kotyan. Deepika, thank you for commenting on my video. It really means a lot. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, share this video with your close ones, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.